Hey guys, in this video I will show you the top 5 Cydia tweaks to hack in-app purchase. With these tweaks, you can purchase in-app purchases for free. These tweaks can hack a lot of apps. And before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, the first tweak is Cydia Tweak. Cydia Tweak is one of the new and important tweaks which allows you to hack many popular apps and buy in-app purchases for free. This tweak allows you to buy a lot of in-app purchases for free and it supports many popular apps. As you can see here, you can hack many popular design apps such as CuteCut Pro, Viva Video, VideoStar Pro, InShot Pro, and other apps. You can also hack popular VPN apps and many other apps. This tweak also allows you to remove ads from popular apps such as YouTube, iCleaner Pro, and other apps. This tweak provides you many useful options that you need. This tweak is completely free. Okay, the next one is Arab Hack. This is also a good tweak for hacking popular apps and games. You can hack many popular apps such as VideoStar, TextNow, VPN Master, and other popular apps. As you can see, you can hack all these apps easily with Arab Hack tweak. With this tweak, you can also buy in-app purchases for free. This tweak is completely free. Okay, the next one is IAP26. This tweak is really unique. This tweak is one of my favorite tweaks. With this tweak, you can hack in-app purchases for free and you can buy all in-game purchases for free. This tweak provides create purchase receipt feature and it allows you to create a fake purchase receipt that allows you to buy in-game purchases for free. With this tweak, I was able to hack popular games and buy all in-game purchases for free. This is my favorite tweak. Okay, the next tweak is My IAP Cracker 2. This is also another good tweak. You can hack in-app purchases for free and you can buy all in-game purchases for free. This tweak provides you many options and you can hack a lot of games and buy in-game purchases for free. You can also buy in-app purchases for free. This tweak works on lots of games and apps, but it will not work on all apps or games. This tweak is also a good option for hacking in-app purchases. Okay guys, the last tweak is LocaliAPStore. This tweak is one of the most popular tweaks ever. With this tweak, you can hack in-app purchases for free and you can buy in-game purchases for free. This tweak allows you to hack a lot of games and buy in-game purchases for free, and also you can buy in-app purchases for free. This tweak is very popular and it's one of the most downloaded tweaks. This tweak is also a good option for hacking in-game purchases. Okay guys, you should know that most online games cannot be hacked with these tweaks. Online games need a cheat engine to hack them. If you want to hack online games, you can download Game Guardian engine if you are using iOS 11 or up, or Game Jam engine if you are using iOS 10 or less. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace.